Whoa, what's going on?
You tell me, Troy.
Well, we're doing a little repair work on the HGK kit. He got a little hit back at the LZ terminal. Got hit with a wheel here, so we're repairing the carbon fiber with some resin. Kind of split the bottom of the door open a little bit, so we've pinched that closed. We'll sand it smooth and then just keep layering the resin on it and polish it up. Should be good to go. It's going to get wrapped, so you're not going to see a lot of the imperfections. So. Yeah, a bit stinky in here. Yeah, Ozzy's not feeling it, but the resin is a bit strong smelling. So
you haven't done Kevlar before, have you?
Well, we didn't have to replace the Kevlar. The Kevlar actually, you know, the integrity of it stayed. It just kind of smushed it a little bit. So we're going to re-resin the Kevlar, and it'll be just as strong as it was before. Once it's kind of hardens up. So yeah, little body repair, getting it. And then we got the door sill as well that needs repairing. So it hit pretty hard on the sill as well. That's not carbon Kevlar there. That's just fiberglass. So it'll take a little different repair, but yeah, we'll get her in good shape. And then once she's wrapped, you'll never know that it's been damaged. So all hands on deck for this one.
Okay, in today's video, we're gonna rebuild some drive shafts. That's it, man. That's it. I'm done. I'm retired.
What's going on today?
What are you saying?
Not much. Vampire.
Vampire clips. See his face when you say that word? It's amazing.
Vampire clips are these stupid little things that you don't have to cut the wire. You just Scotch locks. Yeah, same thing. You just basically take this thing and you just close it over the wire, and it has little knives in it that just cut through the wire.
Vampire.
Right.
That's
it's
where
like a teeth.
Gotcha.
It just kind of, and then it's not sealed, so there's corrosion in it, and then it comes apart, and it doesn't make a good connection, and then I've made lots of money off fixing vampire clips. Put it that way. So Brian loves using them though because it's easy.
Also, it pisses him off, and that makes me happy.
All right, so we are going to be installing a couple components. What else is the list we're doing? 1 second, I'm gonna get a cheat sheet.
A cheat sheet. Did you make the cheat sheet?
I did make the cheat sheet. I even invited Josiah and Dad to it, and they both accepted it. Okay, so we're gonna be doing underglow, hooking up some underglow to this car. Brake light strips on the roofs. We were gonna do a second power steering pump, but we're not doing that now. So we're just gonna fix the wiring for the power steering pump that's in there. I see the one connector was broken, so I've ordered stuff for that. We've got the potentiometers hooked up to the suspension for suspension travel. We're gonna get those configured and posting their data to the dash, and the telemetry. We're also doing live telemetry system in the car. Hook up the telemetry, get some data logging set up too. So on the screen, we are basically just downloading all the configurations for all the PDMs that were there for the screen and for the computer. And then we're gonna make sure that all the CAN stuff is set up properly. We're gonna bring all of that stuff on the network to the live telemetry box. We're gonna set up Podium Live for Josiah so that as soon as he turns this car on, it instantly starts posting all the data from the car live so he can see everything that's going on with it. Basically today is set up the configurations and underglow. That is what's happening today.
Okay, so we are rebuilding a little GSR transmission. We got two, but unfortunately they didn't get shipped with the right gear ratio that Josiah wanted, so they overnighted us some gears, and we swapped out second gear for a little bit of a better launch, and that was stupid. we swapped out second gear for Josiah's preference, and yeah. Okay, today I'm going to Joel's shop, Josiah's brother. He's wiring all the underglow and getting the PDMs and the ECU all ready. Right now it's just an engine floating in the chassis, no transmission, no oil. In the back of my truck I got the bell housing, starter, exhaust, drive shaft, new GSR G-Force transmission, dry sump oil pump, because we just had to make some tweaks and changes to our oil pump to get more volume and more oil pressure. But yeah, we're gonna get this car ready. It's we're on a major push to get this car ready for the new series that it's gonna go into the next year. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna have this car on the dyno ripping, making some good numbers, and get that nitrous cranked up. So you're not gonna wanna miss that. Thank you for watching, and check out fdfraceshop.com and subscribe and like the video. Thanks.
Okay, dude.
Rig walk around. All right,
Yeah,
we got
okay,
the
here we go.
Falcon Wild Peaks 33s, the cut fenders, no lift, 2-inch wheel spacer, 1.5" 095 wall, Dom, bent by yours truly.
Dude, give me a hard pose in front of it.
No, dude.
Yeah, dude, do it. Dude, you have to do it. Do it. Come on. Yeah, dude, that was sick.